Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another video, and today we will be featuring RPGSHOW lifestyle. So the wig that I am currently rocking is called Classy Babe. This is in 16 inches and this is a 13x6 Swiss lace frontal wig. Density is 200. So let's get into this look. So shout out to RPGSHOW Lifestyle for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. The knots are pre-bleached along with the hairline being pre-plucked, which is going to give you a flawless blend. You also have versatile parting, so I do show you how you can shift your part from left to right or center, so we love that. I decided to go with a somewhat glueless install. I did use spray, but I used it on the ear tabs only just to keep the hair in place so it's not sliding all the way back. I do not have braids under the wig, so this hair also comes layered, so it falls into a really pretty cut. The haircut is super pretty and it's 16 inches, but baby, she's stacked because remember, she's 200 density, so it falls really nicely right below like my collarbone. I absolutely love this wig. This is a pricey unit, but if you come back towards the end of the video so we can talk about this hair, just stay tuned for the rest of the install. I will be using the barrel to refresh the waves of the way the hair falls. Like, this cut was really precise. They did a nice job. Also have to say that this grade of hair is great quality because it does not take long after putting the barrel in the hair for it to hold a curl. I love that. I love a hair that holds a good curl the first go around. So definitely top tier hair, top tier lace. The pre-customizations, like everything about this is just a win. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank RPGSHOW Lifestyle for sponsoring today's video. Once again, all the links will be down in the description box. Definitely check them out, and I will see you beauties in the next video. Bye.